Tired of running out of ice? Meet the OLIXIS Portable Ice Maker, your go-to solution for fast, fresh ice anytime, anywhere. This compact machine makes 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and produces up to 26.5 pounds of ice per day, perfect for parties, camping, or everyday use. Choose between 2 sizes of ice cubes, smaller ones for keeping drinks and seafood chilled, or larger cubes for quick cooling in iced coffee and cocktails. And cleanup? It's effortless. With a built-in self-cleaning function, your ice stays fresh and hygienic with just the push of a button. At just 15.4 pounds, with a compact and portable design, this ice maker fits seamlessly in your kitchen, office, RV, or even outdoor events. The simple control panel makes operation easy. Plus, automatic alerts notify you when the water is low or the ice basket is full. Stay cool and enjoy fresh ice anytime with the OLIXIS Portable Ice Maker. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today.